Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So honestly, I don't really think this video needs a intro. Sorry about the messy background. I talk about that a little bit. Didn't really have time to make my bed because I'm kind of in a rush. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It's super laid back, super chill. There's no structure to it like my other videos. It's just to get ready with me. I talk about other stuff. I talk about TanaCon. I talk about like just me on YouTube and wanting to know more about you guys, stuff like that. So I hope you like kind of the less structured videos. I enjoy them because I think it's just interesting to watch, and I like those videos from creators, so I thought I would try it. If you don't, that's totally fine. You can let me know that too if you enjoy more of the structured makeup tutorial and me telling you each thing that I'm doing. But like normal, all the products will be linked down below. I'll have a reminder of that later in the video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you did on the 4th of July because I'm super curious as well. I'm just hanging out with friends and swimming and stuff, but I thought I would just do a nice look for pictures and stuff like that. So thank you so much, and let's get right into it. Hi guys! Okay, so I tried to be really patriotic today because it's 4th of July. I don't really know about this thing, but we're just gonna go with it. So today is just gonna be very casual chit chat. Get ready with me. Okay, I'm gonna look in my makeup kit and see what I want to pull out. If you're from America, let me know if this is a cute patriotic outfit. I really tried. Like a white bralette, and then this blue tank top, and then this red beaded necklace. Okay, so while we're just here chit-chatting, I thought we would talk about stuff that's going on in the world. Well, not in the world. Jeez, no, it's not that big, but I guess just within the YouTube community, I guess. TanaCon is blowing up everywhere, and I wanted to talk to you guys about it because super interesting. Because I've watched Tana like since before like she got very big, like only when she maybe had like 1,000 or a couple thousand at the very least, like not in the tens of thousands yet. And I loved her, and she just has one of those personalities that like it doesn't matter what she says, like it's captivating and it's interesting. And I think that's why like no matter what scandal or anything, like she just kind of stays there because she just has one of those captivating personalities. And I still really like her, but I do think, and I think she admitted it as well, like it's so hard to hold one of those conventions. And I mean, if you don't know anything about TanaCon, I'm not going to explain it here because I feel like there's so many people who explain it better than I do. So just literally type in the word TanaCon and you can find one of those gossip channels that will explain it to you, or literally go to Shane Dawson's documentary. Like that's the best thing in the entire world to watch, honestly. I think I'm gonna put this reddish color, it's Get Out by ColourPop, in my crease because it's kind of like a burgundy color and that's fitting. Before I do that though, I'm gonna set this with WOS from the Naked palette. I mean, Naked Basics palette. I always do this. And I love Shane Dawson. Again, that's a person that I've literally been watching since I was like 11, 12, younger. I don't know. Whenever he like was making those like Fred imitation videos and had like the swoopy hair, I was there for that. So I've been watching him forever. Absolutely love him. I truly, honestly think he's like the father of YouTube. Because he's just able to stay relevant even after a lot of his peers from that time have kind of faded into not really being as relevant. He stays on top. So I think he's just very good at what he does. And so I think he was the best person to kind of uncover this. She was supposed to be more of like the face of it. Like I understand, like she said, it's my convention, she's running it, but like I feel like she was more a marketing tactic. Like she was supposed to be kind of the, you know, come here to me, like kind of more of a creator that like captivates people in, but doing a bit more of the behind the scenes stuff. But I think she was smart to attempt to hire a ticket company. Excuse me, I keep calling it a ticket company, like a planning company for events and stuff. Like I think that was really smart of her because she couldn't have done it by herself. And I mean, I know it didn't end up working out anyway, but it definitely would have gone like 10 times worse if she hadn't like attempted to. But I don't necessarily think it was her job to keep up with all of that stuff. Like I think to a certain extent, yes, but I mean, she hired people for a reason, like to do that stuff for her. I'm just gonna take this brown color from the Zoeva Taupe palette, but I do think like she has a certain level of responsibility with her name attached to it, but when you hire a company to take care of the logistics for you, like it's kind of on them if it doesn't work out. But I do think like they did warn her that they should have waited, and she was more on the vengeance against VidCon, which she admitted. She just wanted to be like against VidCon and be like mad about it, which, you know, I get that. Like, you are upset and they kind of messed with you, and they were totally unreasonable to her. Like, if you've seen her video on that, like, I totally understand her wanting to get back at them and stuff. I just think like it should have been like a slow planning, not like 2 months. So many people flew like so far. Like, if I flew there to go to TanaCon, I really wanted to go, but it didn't line up with my dates that I was in America, so I couldn't go. And like I really wanted to go, but I'm kind of glad that I didn't, considering I would have had to like move my tickets, and I would have been one of those people who was like sunburned outside, and I also would have been one of those people who spent tons of money making sure I you know, to get there. Okay, so next I'm gonna put some black eyeliner on, but definitely let me know what you think below about all of it, because I'm curious. Oh, okay, so something super funny. The reason why I haven't uploaded in a while, or like not as frequently, is because for my grad gift, I'm getting a new camera, which is super exciting, but I haven't been able to like, me and my dad haven't been able to like go to the store and pick out the camera. So I keep like waiting to film because I'm like, I want to film with my new camera, but then like we never go, and like I have to wait till the weekend to go with him. So it's kind of just been pushed and stuff, like totally my fault too. Like, he's here, I just am always like doing stuff on the weekends, and so yeah, I will try to get my new camera for the next video, but no promises. I've been doing the thing where I put concealer underneath my foundation and then I put another layer over, just because my dark circles are so dark. I filmed a vlog for you guys of my orientation, and I was super excited about it as I was filming it, but I take you through the airport with me, I take you on the plane, I take you on the drive, and then I take you to a part where I'm like, I'm about to meet my roommate, oh my gosh, and then nothing. I don't film anything else because it's just like everything was so hectic and I didn't have time and all of that. But it's so funny because I'm literally like, I'm so excited, I'm gonna tell you guys about it after, and then there's nothing. That's the end of the footage. So, because I literally thought I would have like way more time than I did, but it was just back to back to back. Now I'm just putting some foundation on to cover this redness on my skin. I really want to know what video do you guys want to see, because I kind of just make videos, and I have a couple requests that I have to go through, which I will do those soon, but I just want to know like what y'all like. I mean, because the college video that I had, like that one was so successful. Like, a lot of people really liked it. Like, I got a lot of views from that, and I think I did gain some subscribers from that video. So if you're subscribed from that, thank you so much and welcome, hello. But you know, that wasn't necessarily requested, like I just kind of made it, but it got a lot of like good feedback on it. So I want to know what other videos you guys like to watch, like that. Like, I can do more college-based stuff as well, or I can literally do anything. I don't care. I just love making videos, so whatever you like. I think I'm gonna bake underneath my eyes, considering that I'm swimming. I also want to know, because a lot of you guys, like, I know the Common App can be really confusing, or just applications in general, and like you might have questions, and I don't know if like every school has the resources or like personalized question time, like where you can ask questions that are specific to you and like the schools you're applying to. But I did learn a lot because I had different applications I had to do. I don't know anything about UK and like Canada and those type of things, but regarding US applications, like I did have to apply like outside of the Common App for some of my schools, and so I would love to help you. If you have any questions, you can comment them on literally any video, because I don't have like a lot of subscribers or like viewership. Like it's nice because I also get to personalize. Like obviously it's good to have a lot of subscribers, I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying like I get to kind of be more hands-on with your comments. Like I get to answer all of them and like all of them, and I see all of them. And especially that college video got so many, so or at least not so many, but like more than I'm used to. And honestly, when I uploaded that video, I really thought the viewership was from people from my school who just like didn't like me and wanted to know what places I was like rejected from, which like I'm sure there were those people who watched it too. But when I went to go click and see who, like, because you can see from which country like people are viewing, like obviously you can't see like who is viewing your videos, but you can see like this percent from Singapore, this percent from, right, and 85% were from the US. I don't know that many people from America. Like obviously with like college orientation and stuff that really helped, but I made that video before I had met anybody from my school, so I'm kind of like really excited about it. And then also there was like 3 or 4%, maybe, I don't know, maybe a bit more than that, from Canada, and then there was some from the UK, and then some from Australia. I know like 2 people from Australia, and then nobody from the UK, maybe like 1 person, I don't know, and actually no one from Canada. And Canada was second underneath the US, which is crazy. Like it's just mind-boggling to me, because people who watch my videos are always just people who like know me or like, you know, support me as family or friends. But it's so cool to be reaching people that I don't actually personally know yet, but I would love to get to personally know. I'm gonna put blush on first. So because I'm going into the day and I want to look like bright and it's not like a night look, I'm going to be taking this color. It's like a hot pink. Very nice. I think that's enough. Maybe a bit more. I think I'm going to use the Skin Frost. Honestly, I use the Skin Frost for convenience because liquid highlight takes forever. So good. It's so nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my eyes while I decide if I want to fully commit. I like this for every other place but the cheekbones, honestly, because with the cheekbones it kind of looks a bit fake. Like it looks like a line, like it doesn't fully blend into my skin. I think it's a bit light for me. I think I'm gonna use the drops, honestly. Like, yes, it's more work, but it looks better in my opinion. Oh my god, do you see that? Oh, so frustrating. This is a ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Solow. It's like spelt like solo but with a W at the end, so I'm gonna go with Solow. So I'm finished with my makeup for today. This is what I'm going with. It's just kind of simple. Like I wanted a bit of glitter on my eyes, and then like, but no fake eyelashes or anything like that, because like I said, I'm swimming and that's just gonna be weird if I had fake eyelashes on while I swam. But yeah, so this is pretty much it. This is the outfit I'm going with. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like I said, as I was doing my makeup, I want to know what content you guys want to see, so update me, let me know. I hope that you enjoyed me talking about like relevant things on YouTube, or like things that are happening kind of right now. Like, it's super fun for me and I always like follow those things and have opinions on them, but I don't really talk about it because I don't know, I never felt like that was my channel's like content. Like, that's the content that I should be making. but I think it's sometimes like fun to talk about it while you're doing your makeup and stuff, so I included it. So I hope you liked that little addition, and I want to know what you guys think about like TanaCon and all of that as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, have a great rest of your day. And if you're watching this probably after 4th of July, because today's 4th of July, but I hope you had a good 4th of July. Yeah, so have a great day, and bye guys.